Hi everyone, welcome to the Meet the Author. Today we are talking about the Legend of Flying Stone with its writer Gamar. Please say hello Gamar.
Hello,
How are you Gamar?
I'm good.
Can you tell us what is the story about?
Sure, it takes place in village Kalimantan. It's about spoiled girl who's a smart to admit her mother. Her mother prayed to God. The girl into the stone that keep crying.
It's powerful. What do you think is the most important part of the story?
The moment when the girl denied her mother, it teaches us to respect our parents.
I agree. So, what moral value do you want readers to learn?
That as children, we must honor our parents and never hurt them in word or action.
Great message. Thanks for sharing your story, Gamar.
Thank you for inviting me.
Thank you.